So, good day everyone. I'm Rosan de la Cruz, a third-year student from Living Water Essential College. And today, I want to talk about an important issue in our country, the lack of access to quality education. So, even today, many Filipino students, especially those in poor and in rural areas, still struggle to get a proper education. So, minsan kulang sa learning materials, kulang sa teacher, kulang sa support. So, minsan pag tinanong mo pa yung parents, bakit hindi nila pinag-aaral yung anak nila, masasagot nila kasi hindi na nila kayang magpaaral. So, because of this, a lot of students are forced to stop or end up not receiving the quality education they truly deserve. So, education should be a right, not privilege. So, every child, saan man nakatira, mayaman man o mahirap, deserves equal opportunity to learn and build a better future. Kasi para naman din po sa kanila ito. Para pag nakagraduate sila, makakatulong din po sila sa pamilya nila at matutulungan pa po nila yung ibang bata na hindi din kaya makapag-aral or hindi gustusan na magulang nila mapag-aral. So, that's why I believe the government and our community should work together to provide a better school facilities, more training for teachers, and assistance for students who lack resources. So, pero hindi lang naman po sila yung may role dito. Tayo din po. So, we can help by donating school supplies, volunteering in community learning programs, or simply spreading awareness about these issues. So, let's stand together for quality education for all. And dahil kapag may edukasyon, may pag-asa. Kasi sabi nga po nila, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And that's all. And thank you very much.